Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In order to use the method of cylindrical shells, the first thing we need to do is find intersection points. In other words, set our two values, x squared and 6x minus 2x squared, f of x and g of x equal to each other. Solve for x to get our intersection points, which will then become our bounds. Because as you can see, this problem requires that we figure out our own bounds. Now remember, the formula for volume is 2 pi times bounds from a to b, integral r of h, which means radius times height of d of x. So now, given this, we can actually plug in what we know. As we just specified, our two intersection points were 0 and 2. Therefore, lowest one goes on the bottom, highest one goes on the top. X times 6x minus 3x squared. Again, r times h times d of x. Okay, pull out our constants. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 pi is pulled out on the outside. Use the power rule. Increase the exponent by 1. Divide by the new exponent. We're at the point now where we can actually plug in our bounds. You can probably tell from looking at this that if we plug in 0, we literally just end up with 0. So you don't have to write that as long as you recognize the fact that the 0 doesn't affect the problem in this context. Simplify this further. We end up with 8 pi.